Hi, I'm Mike Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. In this segment, we're going to talk about an unusual ladder. It has numerous names: closet ladder, scissor ladder, folding ladder, attic ladder, and how it opens is, very simply, pulling it apart. One of the things to learn about this is you must maintain some lubrication on the joints so that it opens and closes fairly easy. There's also a closing device at the end. You just hit and she'll close. One of the things with this ladder, it has swivel feet. Also lubricate the swivel so they operate freely. In soft ground, you can see that it has teeth right inside the feet. They can be set like this and jammed right into the dirt to foot the ladder. The one nice thing about this ladder, if a firefighter was to fall through a floor in a house, it's easily transported with a firefighter at the tip and at the base. You can lift it up, go down low, it can be traveled in a closed position. Even if you get to a hole or a floor collapse and you slide it down, even if you sent it in the wrong way, once you put weight on the system, it won't close on you. In this training minute, we're going to show the use of a portable ladder, this folding closet scissor ladder, as a rescue device again. If a firefighter becomes trapped, disorientated, if there was a collapse, his exit was cut off, he can search the outside of walls looking for a window. He'll also relay that information over a radio trying to get his bearings. Firefighters on the outside could take the windows and yell into them. The firefighter will use his Halligan tool as a step to try to get out the window. In some situations, a firefighter may find that he lost his tool. A collapse, a cistern, getting caught up in something, but he still finds a window. Here we're going to use the closet ladder or scissor ladder as a self-escape device. As we can tell, as the firefighter approaches the window, we just can't pull him out. He may have to be twisted, turned, because the mass cylinder, the harness may get hung up. So let's use a little caution when we get near the window. As we just saw, we had this firefighter self-evacuate. We also can use this as a rescue device. If we have a downed firefighter or victim inside, we can slide the ladder back in, transfer the victim on, and we'll remove the unconscious victim out of the basement window. In the case of a downed firefighter, we'd always want to transmit a mayday first. Once we ensure the firefighter has air, we've given our mayday, we can use a scissor ladder or folding ladder as a rescue device. The ladder will be slid in, and two firefighters will put the firefighter on top of the ladder, and again, we're going to use it as a fulcrum and transfer his weight out through the window. When we get near the window, we may have to slow down again so that we ensure his tank and his helmet fit through. On a narrow window, we may have to take the firefighter's tank off his back and put it in the front or between his legs to try to make the transition out of the window. We'll demonstrate that now.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lift. Go ahead. Go ahead. Watch the head. All right, go on your back. There you go.
Remember, this ladder is another tool in the toolbox. It has multiple uses. I'm Mike Ciampo. We'd like to thank American Military University for sponsoring this training minute.